Hi, my sacred family. This is Remembering the And, a series of guided meditations for healing, wholeness, and ancestral connection. Remembering the And is about resisting binary thinking. It's the practice of holding grief and joy, rage and love, endings and beginnings. In this series, I am honored to invite you to experience the fullness of this meditation through guided breath, embodiment, and ancestral whispers. Welcome back to another episode in the first season of Remembering the And. Today we're going to remember silence and sound. Both shape our truth. Both are medicine. So if you can, I want you to just take a moment to look around where you are. Where I am, the sun has just come up, and you can hear silence. But also, I can hear the hustle and bustle further out from where I am. So, let's start with our balloon breath. Let's take a good deep inhale through the nose for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then exhale through your mouth for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now allow your gaze to soften and your eyes to close. We're here together. And this time, for the balloon breath, we're actually going to hold it at the top. So inhale them through the nose for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take an extra breath at the top for 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale, allow the belly to go flat for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You're going to do this 2 more times at your own pace. And with each inhale, feel the silence between the sounds. With each exhale, hear the sound of life moving. Notice the silence around you. What do you hear in the quiet? Whether it's your thoughts, pitter-patters of feet in your house, a coffee machine going off, laughter. Find your space of quiet and rest in it. It doesn't have to be silent, but it can be quiet. A moment made just for you. Now notice your breath, your heartbeat, the hum of your life. Let it remind you that you are alive. I want you to rest here for some moments and inhale silence or quietness or a quick pause and exhale sound, life, heartbeats, breaths, because both belong here. And just spend some time in this space. Invite in the warmth of life. Allow it to light you up for whatever is ahead in your next moments. And as you spend some more time here, I want you to repeat after me. My silence is powerful. My voice is powerful. I carry stillness and resonance. Sacred family, your silence heals and your voice transformed. You are never required to choose, no matter what the world tells you, no matter what even that sad or dark voice says in your head. You are transformational. You are enough. Take a really good, nice, deep breath here, breathing in the silence, holding at the top for the quietness, and exhaling life. And when you're ready, and please take your time, come back into the space. And like any other time that we finish these beautiful moments together, it's time for that dance break. Feel free to stay for mine or to transition into your day and have your dance break to something different for whatever is next for you. Be well. Anywhere that we go, you feel